Veio 3.1 is just being released. You can see the announcement from Google DeepMind, and today we're going to be testing it out. In fact, I've already just created a video with it. It seems to have rolled out pretty quickly. You can get it on Hugging Face as well. Apparently, you can, yeah, so you can get it over here. I think you can use that for free actually. Let's see. So AI video generator powered by Veio 3.1. You can do image to video, or you can do text to video, and then you can click generate video over here. We've also got some advanced settings, so you can change the second duration. So let's go with 5 seconds, and then you can also change the aspect ratio to like landscape or not, and video resolution. That seems to be open to anyone, to be honest. So let's see this now. So I'm gonna go over to ChatGPT and say, give me a video prompt for an ultra realistic Game of Thrones style dragon scene. Veio 3. Should be very short. Just to get a quick prompt and some inspiration. So we'll take that. We'll go over to Hugging Face, pull it in, hit generate. Then we've got to sign in. We already signed in, mate. What are we talking about here? It's quite good that it gives you the generation. We'll see how that compares now. So I'm just going to go back over to Flow. I think Flow, honestly, if you want like longer videos, is probably the best way to do it. Simply because you can extend the scenes, right? So for example, if you look at this one, you can download it, heart it, you can actually edit it, and then you can go full screen on that bad boy. But you can also click on add to scene. Add to scene means you can make the scene longer. There we go. So Hugging Face, that is free to use, by the way. If you want access to that,